Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechKG. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this boAt Airdopes 161 Advanced 4Mic ENx 50-hour battery TWS buds, which is truly wireless buds from the brand of boAt. And see here, boAt Airdopes 161 carbon with metallic look. I'll show you how it is looking and how fast it is connecting. And here are the highlights on the box here. First of all, we'll see the 4 highlights. Stereo type balance mode, 50 milliseconds low latency, IWP technology, Bluetooth version 5.3 and IPX splash and sweat resistance. And 50 millisecond low latency means it connects very fast with the Bluetooth devices like your mobile or laptop or something like that. Yeah. And here is the caption, do what floats your boat. Okay, let us just take this out. And these are the buds which are in the black color with metallic look as it is mentioned in the package. Yeah, boAt. Here, see the boAt here. And I'll try to switch on the Bluetooth on the mobile phone and it is really connecting very fast. And the user, I'll also share you the user real experience. The user has been using this for the past 1 week and I'll share you the initial impressions on this. And coming to the real user impression, the user, while coming to the music, he is satisfied, but he wants a bit more thumping bass. Bass is what the user is expecting, a bit more. Other than that, everything is fine. And coming to the calls, while using this TWS buds from boAt, the voice clarity is clear. See here, when you are in pairing mode, when you open the case, it gives you RGB links. RGB colors. See here, red, blue and green. Yeah. And coming to the call quality is decent, and environmental noise cancellation or clear audio call is decent, not that great. He took the calls while in the traffic or on the roads. Okay, he felt like satisfied, but not that great. And we'll also check the online details at the end. The user purchased this for 800 rupees, and now also I checked the price. It is 800 only, 799. And if you want a review of this TWS buds from the boAt, please do ask in the comments so that maybe after using it for like 2 to 3 months, we can update on this. Then there is touch sensors here. You can accept the call by double tapping on this. Yeah. Going to the online details now. Okay, see, these are the TWS buds what you have just seen all this time in the unboxing video earlier. And this is boAt Airpods 161 Advanced 4Mic ENx, environmental noise cancellation with 50-hour battery and the fast charge with base 13 mm driver, metallic finish. Okay, and now currently it is showing 800 rupees and the user purchased this for that amount only. And many users have bought and rated this product and it got 3.9, slightly less than 4. Yeah. And as I said, the user felt okay. The user wants a little bit more thumping bass. That's the one thing the user has expressed as he used it for like 1 week and so. Okay, if you want a complete review video, you can ask in the comments. Maybe using it for like 2 to 3 months, then we'll have the complete full review video. Okay, the charging wise and the battery wise, these earbuds are very good. And while coming to the call quality for this 1 week usage, you can consider this as the initial impressions. It is okay. The voice is clear and ENC, environmental noise cancellation, is decent, not that great but decent. That's what the user has expressed. And for the music purpose, he's expecting a bit more. That's what he expressed. Yeah. If possible, I'll be attaching this in the view products. You can check for the more details. Okay, you can connect this to laptop, mobile and tablet. Okay, yeah, these are the compatible devices. One pair of earbuds, charging cable, user manual, additional pair of earbuds. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.